G'day and welcome to another short video for you today. I just wanted to hop on and say that I have the most amazing supporters on my YouTube channel. I'm just going through the comments on my recent video, the Christmas Eve crochet party details video, to let you know what's coming up, and the comments are just amazing. Terry Blackett says, I love this every year now. It's become a Christmas tradition for me. Your new mug is gorgeous. When I read Terry's comment, I actually started crying, because to be part of someone's Christmas tradition, that's really big. Yeah, really big. Chris K says, Christmas Eve crochet, what a great idea. Lisa's crochet and treasures, yes, been waiting for this. Love all your Christmas Eve crochets. So much fun and stress free. Trish said, I was wondering what we were going to do this year. I was a little bit late this year getting it out, but it's out. There's just so many beautiful comments that I am replying to right now as I'm making this video, and yeah, thank you for being you and being a great supporter of my channel. I really appreciate it. If you are watching this video, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Happy crochet. Bye.